Hello, welcome back. I like to do another light language transmission called Comparison Defeats Joy. All our lives we're taught to be the best and to get it done quickly, quicker than anybody else around you, and do it better. That's not the case. That defeats the joy out of it. Same thing in our workplace. So a lot of us will get a job and wonder why we don't like doing a job. But then you have things that you like that you can turn into a job. But then you're comparing yourself with everybody else who does it. So it defeats the purpose. Sucks the joy out of it. So I like to help with that aspects of comparison and making it defeat the purpose of joy. You'll hear soundings from my voice. Some releases, let the sounds wash all over you. Listen to it as much as you like. I hope you enjoy. You can email me reikiwills@yahoo.com for one-to-one. Okay? And here we go. Hi, ko ya yushine inikator ya kotor ya. We all have our own light to shine. Even though others are doing it as well, it doesn't mean that you don't add to it in your own special way. You are supported in your own way. Let your ideas flow like water through your body. The joy is what adds to your creativity, giving it your own personal spin on what it is that you like to do. You all have your own special light to this. The cracks and the nicks that you carry are your own touch of your own beauty. No need to run. Those cracks and nicks are your space to get creative and make it more joyful. Only you can see them and know where they are. Raya, ya, ya. Ushi ene kata tato. Ushe, ushe, ushe tatora ea kata shishi. Ene kata tata tora ea kata do shine. Ene kata tora ea kata shi. Shine ene kata tutupur ea kata tatora ea shasha. Una kata tatora ea. Hone shine kata tata pur she she she. E shata ko to ra ea. Ena kata to ra ea ya kasha. Shene ana kata ra ea. Ea kata she 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 she. Ena kata to ra ea kata. Ana to ra ea kata ra ea. Ashene ene kata. Shene ene keta tora ea shite toko toti she ene keta tora ea kata tora ea yeshasha toti shene ene keta tora ea go tora ea. Anybody around you who has fun that you get to see having fun doing what you think would be a job for you, they will tell you that they have allowed themselves to fill in those gaps and mistakes how they wanted to, which is inspiring to them when they see cracks and nicks in their products. Ya kata tor ya shit to kutor ya kata ina kata tor ya to ya kata ya sha ya kata ya kata tor ya kata shi. Be nice to yourself. Yeah, we all make mistakes. Yeah. Oh, yeah, kata tor ya. Shit to kata ya kata shi. Yana kata shi ene kata. Yeah, just go with the flow. Go with your flow. More and more, and the more you go with the flow, the better you will get at it. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.